So often, climate change is misunderstood as a call to save the planet. But let's be clear, Earth itself will endure. It has for millions of years. What's truly at stake here is us. Throughout history, the planet has found ways to purge what makes it unhealthy. And now, that balance that sustains life, or climate, is shifting.
Lights will guide you home.
Mother Nature is growing weary of our neglect. The proof? Our once friendly climate is turning hostile. Each year, conditions for human survival becomes less certain. There are no alternative planets waiting to host us. The signs are already visible in the erratic behavior of our weather. How far we let this go will determine whether humanity thrives or even survives.
Tears stream down your face. I promise I will
Recycling, planting trees, and reducing fossil fuel use, they're not about saving the planet. They're about saving ourselves and securing a sustainable world for generations to come.
ignite your bones, and I will
Please
try
join me on a journey to understand how to survive in a world
you.
where Mother Nature and climate change collide. Unnatural Disasters, coming this March.